Excited about jumping into the world of cryptocurrency but not sure where to start? Or maybe you're already in but want to up your game. Whether you're a total beginner starting from scratch or looking to refine your strategy, here are 5 essential tips designed to help you navigate the cryptocurrency landscape with more competence and confidence. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Do your own research. First and foremost, always do your own research. Do not just rely on what you hear from influencers, friends, or even mainstream media. Dive into white papers, understand the technology behind the coins, learn about technical and fundamental analysis, and keep up with the latest news from credible industry sources. In the crypto world, knowledge is power, which effectively translates into better returns on investment. Tip 2. Diversify your portfolio. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different cryptocurrencies can help mitigate your risks. Think of it like this. If one coin underperforms or crashes, others in your portfolio might still perform well, balancing out your losses. Tip 3. Understand market volatility. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile. Prices can skyrocket or plummet within hours. It's crucial to keep a level head and not make impulsive or emotional decisions based on short-term market movements. Simply put, analyze the market objectively and have a long-term strategy and stick to it. Tip 4. Secure your investments. Security is paramount in the cryptocurrency space. Use reputable exchanges, enable two-factor authentication, and consider using hardware wallets for storing your coins. Always remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Tip 5. Be wary of scams. The crypto world is full of opportunities, but on the flip side, there are also many scams. Be cautious of too good to be true offers, suspicious emails and messages, pyramid schemes, and unverified projects. Always double check the legitimacy of any investment opportunities before committing your funds or disclosing information. And there you have it, 5 essential tips to aid you on your crypto investment journey. Just remember, knowledge and caution are your best allies in this exciting yet volatile market. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to smash that like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights. Stay safe, stay smart, and happy investing.